Welcome to Jden, where the dynamic potential of Jurong Lake District, beautiful Eden-like landscapes and future opportunities come together as a premium distinguished new development. Brought to you by award-winning developer CapitaLand Development and proudly marketed by OrangeTee.
My name is Ramesh, and I'll be sharing with you 7 reasons why Jden is the game-changer launch you shouldn't miss.
Jden is the first of its kind. It proudly stands as the tallest mixed-use development in Jurong Lake District, a 360-hectare largest mixed-use and world-class sustainable district outside the city centre. When you choose Jden, you're setting new standards for future modern living in a bustling, vibrant community. Unparalleled convenience with access to Jurong East MRT interchange, GEM, Westgate, IMM, and other major buildings via the convenient J-Walk. Living at Jden means being at the heart of a well-connected network, making your daily commute a breeze. Jden is linked to the Jurong East Integrated Transport Hub, providing direct connections to major hubs in the west and central regions within just 30 minutes. Whether you're heading to work or exploring the city, Jden's location ensures you're always well connected. Jden is strategically located to URA's master development site, ensuring that it will benefit from the future transformation and development of this thriving district. Investing in Jden means investing in a property with significant growth potential and promising opportunities with future development of the surrounding white sites. The overall landscape is inspired by the scenery of Jurong Lake Gardens, guided by the organic shapes of nature itself. The idea is to design nature-inspired family recreational highlights to be set within natural and rustic environments. Some of the key standout features at Jden includes the Garden Oasis Lazy River, where you can have a relaxing or fun swim, the party house to host gatherings, as well as the Sky Terrace on level 24 where you have alfresco dining options. Jden offers flexible unit layouts for space customizations without the constraints of PPVC constructions. Your home at Jden can be tailored to your unique needs and preferences, ensuring a living space that truly reflects your lifestyle. Jden provides home features that cater to various needs and spaces, elevating the standard of living for all residents. At Jden, you enjoy the luxury of bespoke living, where every detail has been carefully considered to enhance your quality of life. These include seamless concealed induction hobs, multifunctional island countertop, integrated filter water kitchen taps, and sensor wash toilet bowl for specific unit types.
As you can see, Jden is more than just a place to live. It's a lifestyle choice and an investment for your future. Experience excellence in every aspect of urban living at Jden. To find out more or to view the sales gallery, be sure to make an appointment with any OrangeTee and Tie agent today.